Hello everyone! Today we are going to make scrunchies, and for that we are going to use 3 different techniques. So you can choose which one is more convenient for you. For this project we are going to need 3 pieces of fabric. They are approximately 22 inches long and 3 to 4 inches wide. Measuring tape, scissors, elastic band and hair bands, needle and thread or sewing machine. For the first technique, we are going to sew the edge of the fabric all the way along by hand or with a sewing machine. Then we turn our work around . Insert the piece of the elastic band with a clip. Make a knot or make a few stitches on the sewing machine. And sew the ends together, definitely by hand. I could never do this part with a sewing machine. For this technique, we are going to fold the edge by 1 centimeter and iron it to reinforce it. First we sew the 2 ends of the piece of fabric together. Then we put it inside the hair band, trying to wrap the hair band around with it. We put the 2 folded ends together that we have ironed before. And we sew it all the way around from outside. So we don't need to turn this work around when we are done. For this technique, we are going to use a hairband. We put the fabric inside the hairband. And start sewing the edge around it. Once we are done, we turn our work around . And then we sew the 2 ends together. So there you have 3 different techniques to make a scrunchie. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Give us a thumb up if you like this video. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Follow us also in Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.